So apparently I am the D9 Whisperer. This is the governor off Killdozer, and it was surging. It's been doing it for quite a while, but I had a feeling I better take it apart. Didn't want to, but it's a good thing I did, because these are the rollers that go on the governor, and this one is flat spotted really bad. And this one, the roller was stuck on the shaft. It's also flat spotted. And because it was stuck on the pin, what it was doing was turning the pin inside the weight and wore the holes out. Had this roller come free from the shaft, the pin would have flew out and we'd have had a disaster. So I need all these parts. I'm hoping I can still get those from Caterpillar. And then this is the throttle mechanism on the ratcheting device. This is full of teeth in here. And this cover goes over it. But it's so wore out in there, it doesn't offer it any support, and it leaks. And because it's wobbling around, it's wore a terrible hole or groove in the outside of it. And this is aluminum. It's all corroded and wore out. This is a smaller diameter than these splines, and it should be a little bit bigger. So I need this part. 8 Frank 4238. Need a seal, need all the gaskets. I'm sure I can get the gaskets. I'll need the weights, these pins, and these bushings that go in there for the pins. And we'll be back in business.